All right, to review a couple of things, let's suppose we wanted to make our 2 items here to have bullets. So we could highlight our text in the design view and go to Edit, List, and I can choose Unordered List, and it's done for us. Okay. If I want to attach an email here under Contact Us, I'm going to highlight my text, and I can go to Window and Properties, and the link, I could put a website, or if I need to, I could add a mail to code first before I put in the email address. With this part here, if I wanted to change that to a subheading, that would be a heading 2. And right here, maybe I want to change that to a heading 3. So we can do that right from Properties panel. If this is a template and I wanted to add information right here, press Enter, I can go to Insert. I'm going to scroll down to Template, and then I'm going to click Editable Region. Okay, so I can give it a name. Okay, so this is going to be a name called More Information About the Club. Okay, and we can click OK. And then I can see right here that that has added to that. And if I wanted to save it as a template, I could go to File, Save as a Template, and save it. And I could give it a name. And on the directions, it would tell us to either update or not update the links. Okay. If we want to insert a table from scratch, we can go to Insert Table. And we'll be able to put how many rows we need, how many columns we need, a border thickness, cell padding. Pay attention right here because this will pre-decide for you where a header is going to be. Right now I'll just click None and OK. Okay, I have my table, but now I want to insert a row on top. So I can click inside my table. And now I'm going to go to Edit because I want to edit the table. Edit, Table, and we're going to do Insert Row, and it automatically will add one on top. Okay, I've added my 2 new cells, and now I can highlight both of them and change that to a header. Maybe I also want to change the background color. And remember down here you can enter in a hexadecimal color code. Right there, and it will change. Okay, and now that I have these here, maybe I want to go ahead and format these to be a heading 3. Make sure I select both of those, and I can do a heading 3 on each of those. Okay, I can also check the height and the width of the cells. And remember, I can also look at my page properties here, and that will let us know with our links. Okay, so if we want to change the color of a rollover link, we can click here and change the color, or we can actually just type in a name. Okay, so on the bottom I can click Preview, and I want to preview this in Google Chrome. Okay, so now we can see that our original links are in aqua, and when I scroll over them, they change to yellow. I've got my title here. You can see where we have added a table. We converted both of these into bullets. Contact Us is a mail to, and if you can see when I mouse over it down at the bottom left, it lets me know about that. And finally, I've got my footer down here at the bottom.